Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So I have some very sad and disappointing news, but also happy ones. Basically, Iron Mothers is actually gone. It's off the server. Please do not copy the name or the outfit. But the club is actually gone.
Yes.
So it's kind of sad. But I really like the club we're in now. The club that we are in now, and I think it's going to stay this way, is Stone Champions. We really like it.
The name is amazing. We just joined it.
Yeah, and Iron Mothers is disbanded. It might come back in the future. I think it might be coming back next year, I hope. Because I don't want to or sooner. I don't want to bring it back too fast, as I just joined this club today. But the reason we disbanded Iron Mothers is because we didn't feel like it was getting too successful, and a fan wanted us to join this one, and we really liked how it sounded, so we had joined it.
And it's not just the sound; it's an amazing club too.
Yeah. Anyway, I hope that that's not too sad or depressing to you guys. Iron Mothers is gone.
Maybe you can join this club. I'm not sure.
Yeah. But thank you guys for watching and taking this video into consideration. Leave your thoughts and opinions on this video in your comment section and our comment section down below. And I will hopefully see you guys next time.